ready? Holy shit. Is that a smiley face?
Doggy,
Bluebird.
that'll make a bolo.
Lucky day at the Bolo Turquoise mine. All right, this is the corner post number 2, east, probably the eastmost corner. This is the road that I'm working to get access to drive up, but it's the way that most people walk up. It's a switchback road on the map. It's a closed road to motor vehicles. You need a permit. The sign says at the bottom, permit required for motor vehicle use. So I'm walking today. Welcome to the Villa Grove Turquoise Mine. This is the old campsite. We'll get into that later maybe. But this is kind of the entrance. So this is another sign coming up, marking the area. It's kind of close to the middle of the claim. Not quite the middle, but close. The signs notify anyone who might stumble upon the area what's going on, that this is a active mine claim. Lots of cow chocolates. It's a cow chocolate trail. The mine claim was started in 2023. That's why the name of it is VG234. 4 for the 4 names on the claim. We'll get into that later. We are getting close to the historically worked area of the mine. This area has been worked for a lot of years. Worked by these cows. Look at these chocolates. You can verify the location and information as well as the status of the claim on the Bureau of Land Management website. The Mineral and Land Records System is the most accurate and up-to-date records of active and closed mine claims on public land. All right, the focus. I'm excited, this is looking big. Oh yeah. Nugget, mud nugget. Deal. Pond is green today from animals stirring it up. It changes from blue in early spring to this color by the fall, depending on the weather and stuff. All right, here
Oh, it's huge. Oh, whoa. Massive.
Rainy days were rare this year. Then back to green. Snow is showing up in the shadows.
Is that a smiley face? It's got blue eyes. Jetsons. Okie dokie. It's a lucky day. Couple of side ones over here. This is what I turned the camera on while I got the mark. Look at this thing. Thin, very thin. Good blue. World famous Bella Grove turquoise.
This is a registered active mine claim. No public collecting of rocks or minerals on the claim. Thanks.
Are you ready? Holy shoot. That's blue.
There are a couple of ways to exit the mine area. I'm going to go this way today and look around for a bit.
A lot of animal tracks up here. Moving fast. go. I don't know what's going on here, but this is interesting. Some kind of vein nugget. Zoom out so you see what I'm doing. This one's stuck in there. Don't have to break anything. Oh, it's like a plate, like a dinner plate. Oh, shoot. Oh, doggy. That'll make a bolo. Yeah.
These could be made into bolos for sure. I cut and polished all of these stones by hand using a Cab King 6-inch .
Bluebird. Midway point. Lucky day. Midpoint. Axe cut. Cut with it. This cabin was cut with an axe. Wow. but it has round nails. What the heck? And milled lumber. Maybe the milled. Those are sawed. Maybe they just wanted them to look cool and axed. Cool view though. There's fungi. There's a bunch of them going up here. Some polypores. Somebody told me what they were, but now I forget. They're woody bark, fast and growing mushrooms. Kind of like other polypores. I don't remember